Hello, PitchGround. How are we doing today? My name is Richard Chen, coming to you live from New York City. And joining me today, I have Matic from Referral Magic. And we're excited to have his product launch with us because he was actually featured as a #1 product on Product Hunt. So welcome to the call, Matic. We're glad to have you here today.
Thanks for having me.
Awesome. So I'm sure a lot of our viewers are curious about your product, but let's dive into who you are first. Why don't you give us a quick rundown of your career history and what you do for Referral Magic?
So welcome to this webinar. My name is Matic Suzma. I was based in France for the last 5 years, where we were building a product called Support Hero. Support Hero got acquired last year, and I joined the team as a co-founder at Referral Magic. So I'm a SaaS business now for, let's say, 6 years. I'm super happy to be part of the Referral Magic team. We are all 4 entrepreneurs, actually. Jam and Mert, they're brothers from Istanbul, and David Hazel. He's born in Germany. He was living in LA for, I think, 10 years, and now he's also based in Turkey. So we all had previous experience with SaaS products. We were building SaaS products for as long as I remember. Jam and Mer, they're in the industry for more than 20 years. David and I take care of the business part of the product, so partnerships and sales, marketing. And Jam and Mert are responsible for development, new features and products. So that's awesome. Quick overview of our history and the product.
Excellent. So let's talk about Referral Magic. What is it?
So Referral Magic is a digital product for word-of-mouth marketing. You're probably familiar with word-of-mouth marketing. And we help SaaS business, e-commerce, and agencies convert their customers and customers into the referral magnets. So by setting up the campaigns, to tracking their users and activity, and we offer a simple solution that you can basically set up in less than 10 minutes.
Okay, cool. So what inspired you guys? Well, actually, before we go into the inspiration, what was the pain point that you guys saw, and why did you guys decide to move forward?
So that's a good question. As I mentioned before, we were all SaaS founders, and we all know that the referral traffic is the cheapest one if you do it right. They are really the leads that are coming from referrals. They are highly likely to convert, so the conversion rate is better. And we were all looking for the solutions for our previous products. And Jam and Mert, they built the product basically for themselves. So they were the first users, and then they start selling it and become the actual business. That's it. So we were looking for the solution that is relatively cheap, and also they have all the features, so you can integrate with all of the tools that you need, like MailChimp or any other tools through Zapier, and that it's affordable for startups or any kind of SMEs.
So I think you mentioned something that was very important for a lot of businesses, the cost of acquisition and making sure that it's something that's simple to do. So can you give like a estimated amount of savings that somebody would achieve by using referral marketing versus like traditional marketing like Facebook ads, Google ads?
It's hard to say. It depends on the industry and the product that you're selling, service you're selling, and the incentives that you're offering. But I would say, based on our data, it's like people are 30% likely to convert if they are recommended by their friends. Mm-hmm. And the cost of acquisition is actually more than 50% less. Because you already have the existing customers that are spreading the news. about your product. But you have to keep in mind that the product has to work, the product and the service that you're providing and the customer service that you have has to be on the level that your existing customer base is happy to promote your product. And nowadays, you have a lot of competitors on the market. So customers are really strict about who are they promoting and who not. So that's one of the points, pain points that we were addressing at the beginning is how to teach our customers what are the right incentives for their users, because you cannot just give away like $100 for the product that is worth $50. So these are the most common problems that we are facing with our customers now. So we have to somehow help them discover what is the right incentive.
Gotcha. So do you guys offer like trainings for that? Do you guys offer like tips?
Yeah, we offer like free training calls. Usually we have like 2 or 3 calls, never more, because you have to know the business. So you have to talk to the prospect. You have to talk to sometimes you talk to an existing client that have difficulties converting customers, but it's not about the software. It's about discovering what is the right incentive. So now on the demo calls, I usually ask and try to help them before they start using the product to identify what's the right incentive and especially where you place the referral tracking widget or form in the beginning of the process, at the end of the process. That's really important because usually customers have to test the product. So it's at the end of the process. So that's why we offer free help, free consulting. Just jump on a Zoom call and help customers.
I think that's such a valuable resource to have Referral Magic provide their customers with customized consulting. Typically, that's something that would cost businesses a lot of money because that's a very specialized skill set. And if you guys are watching this and joining us right now, this is amazing. If you think about a lot of companies that are trying to get new business, trying to acquire new customers, especially today where almost everybody is working from home, you need to be able to leverage off the relationships of your existing customers to get new customers without having to spend even more money. Because a lot of businesses today are impacted by the COVID-19 outbreak around the world. And the last thing they want to worry about is, oh man, do I need to spend more money on Facebook ads or Google ads or whichever means that you acquire new business? So if you guys are thinking about how you can leverage off of your existing customer base and get more sales, Referral Magic is definitely the way to go. So just to give us an idea, Matic, how many customers do you currently have?
We had 2,400 customers.
Wow, that's amazing. So with these 2,400 customers, I guess you guys have now all this data that can help you become even more lean and also give better recommendations to new clients based on their industry, whether they're e-commerce or another SaaS, right?
Yeah, when you offer a free consulting call, it's not just helping your customers, it's also understanding them, understanding their needs in different niches. So it's totally different how to set the incentive in a SaaS industry or the e-commerce. What we figured out, it's much easier, let's say, to it in the e-commerce than in SaaS. So we usually take it as a learning curve, talking to our customers. It's not something that we have to charge because it's beneficial for both parties.
Excellent, excellent. So let's talk a little bit more about Referral Magic. How does it integrate with someone's business?
So we have 3 steps when you want to install a Referral Magic on your end. And just let me first say that we offer on-premise solution too. So if you want to have Referral Magic like 100% GDPR proof or CCPA proof and host it on your end, that's also an option. But yeah, 3 steps. First step is to set up the campaign. Second step is, of course, to set up the tracking. This can be a tricky part if you're not a developer. So here we also help our customers. But if you know how to set up Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, then you're good to go. It's just a simple snippet code that you have to put it on your site. And then you put a snippet code to track the conversions. And another snippet code for the widget if you want to use a widget. So we have options using a widget or just a form. And the last step is to set up the rewards. So if you are like a SaaS business and you want to track a visitor and then sign up and then conversion, which means a paying client, you have to set up rewards for both parties. So yeah, we probably know all the examples from Airbnb when you get like $20 for the new user and $20 for you. So here we offer like unlimited options. You can offer monetary rewards. You can offer a discount. You can offer a discount for new customer. You can offer monetary reward for the old customer. So these are 3 steps. It's basically really straightforward. And yeah, you can set it up in less than 10 minutes. The only problem I would say is that you have to know again what are the incentives. So first you have to know what are the incentives, and then yeah, you're ready to go.
Okay, let's talk more about how incentives would work. Do customers get like a coupon code? Is it something that's automatically added to their shopping cart based on the interaction with the website, or like if they got referred? How does that work? Is it like an integration with the shopping cart? Is it integration with the CMS?
Yeah, we have fully featured API, so you can basically integrate with your backend. And again, it depends on the what campaign that you're setting up. So if you want to set up just a sign up campaign and giving away like a free Amazon cart or 10% discount, that's pretty easy. You just have to connect it with the API, which comes in the monthly plan. So it's
cool. So let me see. What other things would somebody need to know about Referral Magic? So we already covered support. You guys are offering free training, free support. You even consult with them to come up with incentive plans. Let's see. Oh, this is probably like $1 million question. Do you guys have competitors?
Oh yeah, sure. Everybody has competitors. I think First Promoter, Viral Loops, Referral Candy, Referral Rock. Some of them are more into SaaS, some of them are more into enterprise, some of them are more e-commerce focused. So yeah, of course, there are like tons of products on the market, but it depends what you're looking at. So our difference is you have a really strong team with, like I said, more than 20 years experience. All the features that you need, integrations, like more than 2,000 integrations through Zapier, webhooks, and yeah, the product is, I would say, really fully customizable. So if you're a developer, you can play around with the tool as much as you want.
Excellent. And can there be any impacts to somebody's website? Because I know a lot of developers today are focused on like speed and making sure that their page loads as fast as possible without impacting the user experience. So would installing Referral Magic to somebody's website slow down their performance?
No, not really. It depends what you're using. But for the Referral Magic on WordPress, you just need a new plugin to install it easily. And you can make some modifications within the plugin, but that's it. It's not it will not affect your speed site. Site speed. Yeah.
Okay. And so talking about websites, you can install on regular websites ranging from Shopify, WooCommerce, all the above, Squarespace?
Yeah, you can install it on Shopify and WooCommerce through Zapier, but we are working on the new. I mean, we are thinking to work on the Shopify integration also. So have a Shopify app, and also what we are planning to implement in next couple of weeks is an option that you can upvote for the features that you want. So now what we get, all the feedbacks we get from the customers on the calls, on the emails, we want to offer our customers a feedback feature that you can upvote which feature or which integration or functionality you want, and the most upvoted one will be released in the next weeks.
Excellent. So if somebody decides to purchase Referral Magic from us next Tuesday when we launch, will they be able to get lifetime support from you guys and lifetime updates?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. And then let's see, I have a question coming in. So are there any limits to the number of campaigns or the number of customers or the number of, I guess, engagements that somebody can have?
So I think we have 3 different deals on PitchGround. One is for really small company startups, and here we offer 1 domain, and you can test a couple of different campaigns. But for the agencies, we offer multiple campaigns, multiple domains, so you can also resell it to your customers. So agencies usually they help their customers, their clients with the digital marketing performance, and they install Referral Magic or similar tools. So we offer them a white label option, so they can rebrand it and resell it, so they can help their customers too.
Wow, that's amazing. To be able to white label your own referral software, that can be so lucrative. What would you say? What's your current pricing for Referral Magic if they didn't get it from us?
On-premise solution is 4,500, and the monthly costs is 245. So
per month, wow.
Per month, yeah.
So let's just do some quick math.
And we offer, let me check, but we offer 20% discount on yearly. Yes, it's 20%. Sorry, 15% discount on the annual plan.
Gotcha. So if you guys are looking to save thousands of dollars, you definitely want to make sure you stay tuned to the next 3 webinars that we're going to be doing with Matic, where we go more into detail. So to give you guys an idea, tomorrow at 11 o'clock Eastern, we're going to be talking with Matic again, where we're going to be focused more on the different features within Referral Magic. We're going to go into how to use these features for various types of businesses, how you would implement it. And then on Monday, next week at 11 a.m., we're going to do a case study. So there are various companies, over 2,400 companies that already use Referral Magic. So we're going to highlight some of the top companies from different industries, how they're implementing it, what incentives they're using, and it should give you a better idea of how you can incorporate it into your business. And if you have questions about your business that you want to ask Matic or Jem or anybody else on the Referral Magic team, make sure you leave a comment and leave that question there so we can help you figure out what's the best way to approach Referral Magic for your business. Right? So I'm just going to go through our comment section real quick. But if you have any other input, you can definitely fill in at the moment, Matic.
I think we have 3 more webinars and a lot of topics to cover. So
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So I'm just checking our questions. Looks like everyone is happy so far with what we've said.
That's good to hear.
So I have a question. I have a lot of customers that deal with digital coaching. They sell sales coaching. So would they be able to use Referral Magic to offer like a, let's say a free download, for example, to whatever document, a PDF? What's the best way to approach that?
Oh yeah, that's a good question. I think we will cover this tomorrow or Tuesday,
Oh, we are. Okay.
when I will show you the demo. But just a quick overview. Yeah, we offer 3 different campaigns. So first campaign, we call it selfie. So if you want just one referral, unique referral link that you can send to your friends. And the second one is a sign up. We call it sign up. It's not the conversion happened when it's the end of the sign up. So this is if you want to download PDF. And then the last one, it's the usual suspect. It's a conversion machine, which means we track visitor, we track a sign up, and then after sign up, we also track conversion, which means kaching when you start making money. So we were thinking about all these steps, so you can definitely reward people that are just downloading your ebook or PDF. Yeah.
So it's definitely good for the lead magnets.
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. I already have like 20 people I'm gonna refer your product to.
Awesome.
All right. So I actually have one more question. Let me think about how to phrase it. So is there a way that we can use Referral Magic through social media? So I have clients that they run ads on, let's say, Facebook, and those ads will go to a landing page. Would I want to put Referral Magic on that landing page?
Yeah, sure. You can put Referral Magic on the landing page, and once they clicked, once the widget is open, or it's just a form, you can also go back and share it on social media. On the pop-up, it will show share, and then you have options: WhatsApp, Messenger, Twitter, and Facebook as a post. Awesome. So yeah, it's as simple as that.
That's great, and it would track the tracking cookie across multiple sources. So can I use like the same, like let's say I sign up with you and I have one, tracking code, but can I place that tracking code on multiple websites?
Yeah, sure. It's your unique code.
Okay, perfect. So now this is more about how I would use Referral Magic. So I'm always thinking about how to implement these tools. So I'm a SaaS junkie. I'm like one of those people that just keep buying different SaaS products and thinking about how I can streamline my clients' results. So I'm very interested in Referral Magic for that reason, because I have a lot of people who sell digital goods, they're coaches. I also work with a lot of e-commerce businesses. So I'm very excited to hear about these different case studies on Monday, as well as the different features that we're going to deep dive into tomorrow. If you guys have questions, make sure you leave those questions in the comment section below, where Matic and I will review them and make sure they get covered when appropriate. So it was a pleasure meeting you today, Matic. We definitely are very excited for you to launch next week, and look forward to hearing from you tomorrow.
Yeah, thanks for having me, and enjoy, guys.
All right, take care, guys. Have a good day.
Bye.